Without the members, the chambers do not survive. So it's the members that help push the chambers. So we appreciate your support, and we also have a plaque here that says "Up All Night." Okay? For you guys to hang at your location here, so everybody knows that you're part of the AVE Spanish Chamber of Commerce. So again, congratulations on your grand opening and ribbon cutting. All right. Okay, so I'm going to turn this over to Ms. Beth. She's with the Court Civil Chamber.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. So it's my honor and pleasure also to present you guys, to congratulate you on your ribbon cutting and grand opening. I also have a similar business, Aniceto and Giovanna and I have done business in the past. We are fierce competitors. No, it really does create me pleasure to see where they've come and where they're going and be a part of that. And we can support each other in business, and also by the Court Chamber of Commerce support you in your business as well. So congratulations to you.
Thank you for being here. You know, she has a similar business as they do, but she's here supporting. How amazing is that, right? That's the type of community we have, and that's why I love my community. I love the Antelope Valley. Because yes, we can work together. Yes, we can collaborate. Yes, but we can help the world in business, because there's plenty of business for everybody, right, Beth? You know, it's amazing. So with that being said, I want to bring now from Senator Scott Wolf, Brendan Roque. Come on up.
It's an honor to be here. First off, congratulations on the expansion. I can see if they're wondering this, why you need more space. This was crazy. Honestly.
Why we don't print just on shirts?
It takes just to print one, especially by hand.
Right.
This is going to make it a lot faster, but it's still, like you were saying, trying to troubleshoot this is.
Yeah,
it's going to be a bit of a nightmare.
yeah.
But truly, I'm actually really pumped to see this, considering I've seen a lot of screen printing, I've seen a lot of stuff like that, but I've never actually seen how it's done. I've always been curious. I love the way the shirts come out. I love the way the designs are, but never really know. I've seen a couple videos of people just doing normal with the racks. So seeing the actual automated version is really cool. But on behalf of Senator Will from the state of California, congratulations. This is fantastic. I can't wait to check out some of the shirts, and I can't wait to see what you guys come up with.
Thank you for being here.
Welcome to the Champions Playbook business consulting firm, where we specialize in multiplying your business sales with our business growth habits and business partnership development. If you are not using business partnerships to grow your business sales, then you are missing out on thousands of dollars every week. Join our free newsletter, Winners Business Partnerships. We will show you how businesses are using partnerships to grow and scale their business, sales, and how you can too. We look forward to helping you multiply the sales of your business.
I won't say that. But and it says, sincere congratulations and best wishes on your ribbon cutting. We commend your efforts on your continued growth and success in screen printing here in the Antelope Valley. Thank you so much. Thank you for creating jobs. Okay, I think that's it, right? Everybody from Lancaster, AVE chambers, the court sale.
When we did that video, when we did the video,
We're gonna be like the McDonald's. My favorite color, red.
We're missing a ribbon.
Red one. No stress, no stress.
Not now, not now, not now.
This is for that.
Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
alright, they got some nice designs on the wall. It's clean. Alright. Nice shirts they already did. We'll check them out. So, winning plays every day. TCP will show you the way. Accomplish your goals and never fold. Just follow the winning plays that you've been told. The Champions Playbook will help you win, and your success will never end. Winning plays, winning plays.